So if you're like me, I'm always interested in doing things for myself, but I don't have a fancy shop and everything I'd like. I was able to pick up this Delta jointer. It's a 6-inch cutting surface, but I don't have a shop with feed and exit tables, and so I built these just using some scrap lumber that I had. You're going to have to do the measurements for yours if you're interested in doing something like this. I just took a 2x8 and cut 4-inch pieces to stack it up, measuring the thickness. I've got 3/4 inch pieces of wood there, put it all together and got it to where it would joint here, and then I shimmed it at the bottom. If you look down here at the bottom, I've just put shims. You can't really see them there, but I've shimmed it up and used clamps to clamp it to the table, and then did the exact same thing over here, shimming it so that it was nice and straight. And then I also shimmed the legs on the table, if you look down here below, so that everything was flat. Used my level, got everything level, and had a nice infeed and outfeed, and was able to take this is going to be the mantle. You can see I got some problems, but I got it flat, and I'm going to run it through my planer next. This is oversized. There's lots of videos to show you how to do oversized joining. And then I've got this flat board here that I'll use to run through my planer. But the important part is you don't have to have a fancy setup to do what you want to do. And I'm just thrilled. This worked out so well, and it cost me nothing because I had this wood just laying around. Anyway, good luck to anyone out there who's trying to accomplish something like this, and happy do-it-yourselfers.